Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make custard tartlets. It's very simple. Let's start from making the pastry. Some all-purpose flour, some sugar, and a little salt. Sift the flour, sugar, and salt together. Transfer them to a food blender. Add some cold and salty butter. When it's finished, you will have this kind of fine crumbs. Now I'm making a fluid mixture. I need 1 egg. Then add some milk until the weight is 75 grams. Give it a good whisk. Sprinkle the fluid mixture over the crumbs. Mix to stiff, crumbly looking paste. Then combine them all together until there's no loose crumbs in the bowl. Then cover the dough with a piece of cling film. Let the dough chill in the fridge for an hour. While waiting for the dough to be ready, I will make the custard mixture. I need some lukewarm milk. Add some sugar to the milk. Also add 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk to the milk. Beat milk with eggs. Pour the mixture through a sieve to get rid of the lumps. The custard mixture is done. After 1 hour, the dough is ready. Roll out the pastry to get 3 mm thickness. At this point, I will prepare the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Grease and flour the mold. This is how I shape the pastry. Then adjust the pastry to fit the mold. This is the size of my mold, and my recipe is enough to make 12 tartlets. Pour the custard mixture to each mold. Don't make it too full. The custard will rise while baking. Bake the tartlets at 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes first. After 10 minutes, take the tartlets out of the oven. Then lower the temperature to 325 Fahrenheit. Sprinkle a little ground nutmeg over the surface. Back to the oven at 325 for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's check them. Let them cool down for 15 minutes. Once it's cooled down, it's easy to remove from the mold. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so each tartlet costs me 37 cents. I'm going to enjoy my custard tartlets. Thanks for watching my video.